you guys for tuning in to another video. And I'm sipping on some Blue Moon. Shout out to Blue Moon. But anyway, on a more serious note, we are experiencing still more of a correction in this market right now. If you take a look, we hit a high of 179 billion. We've fallen all the way to the lowest of a low of 134. I could easily see this maybe going down to 120, but it looks like, you know, there's been a kind of a crash and a correction and a real crash, and you know, we're just kind of going down too fast, so we're going to probably come right back up. How long is this going to last? I'm not too sure. Would you like to buy some coins now or buy them later? That's totally up to you. I'm not too sure. I think we might see a little more bottoming out, but we're nearing the bottom. We're nearing the bottom because it's just not continuously going down. So, just to recap, Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart here, you guys. Bitcoin, it looks like it hit a low of about $4,000. Yeah, $4,036, and we're already up to 4,100. So that's my dog barking there. We got Ethereum. Man, Ethereum is below $300 again, so that's pretty cool. Man, look at that chart. Some crazy chart action on Ethereum. But you can see it's having the same action as Bitcoin is, and it's steadily coming back up again. So maybe buy Ethereum now. Is this downtrend going to continue? Completely hard to say at the moment. But we just don't know at the moment. Ripple also still going down. Bitcoin Cash kind of staying in the $500 to $600 range. Not too much change there. Litecoin, I mean, hit a high of $90, and we're back down to 64. So I expect that to maybe hit to 50, if anything. But this is not financial advice, investment advice. This is just my conjecture, my opinion. We'll see what happens. NEM is staying pretty strong. You know, compared to its regular price that it was at, it's staying pretty strong right now. Dash really took a beating after running up to almost $400. Dash is really taking a beating, but not that much, and I'm sure it will be back. Monero lost about 30, 40 bucks. IOTA still going down into the toilet. And Ethereum Classic back at its old price again. So $15.41, $15 range is the range that Ethereum has been in for a while. Ethereum Classic has been in for a very long time. I wouldn't be surprised to see it go down a little bit further. Depends on the rest of the market. But if not, possible Ethereum chance to buy in. NEO, I bought myself some NEO last night at about $18. So it's good to see that it's at 22. I'm not sure how much lower it will go. It looks like that's a nice level of support that it's reached. OMI's Go really did not take any hit. Lost about 10 bucks. I mean $2 during this crash. So really strong in the OMI's Go. It might be a good time to get in. Who knows? But very, very interesting that it did not go down. BitConnect also not too affected. Lisk still quite strong. I have a feeling there's a lot of Lisk bag holders right now, and a lot of people holding Lisk because in the next month, within this month, they're going to rebrand themselves and whatnot. Quantum, possibly a good time for Quantum. It went as low as $9. So Quantum normally hangs around the $15, $12 range. So Quantum might be a good buy. Stratus, just hold off on Stratus. Stratus is not going to move. I mean, maybe you should accumulate Stratus now. You know, you want to accumulate coins when there's no news, when nobody's talking about them, and patience. Like Warren Buffett says, the stock market, and I'm going to say the crypto market, is simply putting money from impatient hands into patient hands. So again, accumulating coins when nobody's talking about it is a good idea. And Stratus is possibly one of those coins at the moment. Waves is another platform coin I like. Quite low. Haven't seen this low for a while. Might be a good time to accumulate that as well. And let's take a look. Zcash doing pretty well. It got hit tremendously, but not too bad. Tether has been up, of course, because everyone is tethering it up. BitShares pretty poopy. Stellar Lumens, I think for my future videos, guys, I'm just not going to cover Stellar Lumens. It's just dead. No one's talking about it. Maybe it'd be a good time to accumulate it, but I personally don't know enough about Stellar Lumens. So if any of you guys are holding Stellar Lumens, please let me know. 10x. So pay coin might be a very good time to buy some pay. I'm not gonna lie, this might be a very good time to buy some pay. EOS, really up to you what you want to do. And Steam, look at that, almost at $1 again. So that's really nice to see Steam there. 8 share, I mean, before the crash it was like 30 bucks, and right now it's at 7. So look at that, 48% down. Whoo. Made safe coin going down. Golem still pretty steady. Golem doesn't really move between 28 cents and 32 cents for the last several weeks, so that's something to watch. Augur's also been in the $20 range. It's fallen quite a bit, but still staying strong. And Komodo, guys, Komodo Dragon coming back to reality after the huge run up. But however, there's news coming out with Komodo on their website. I mean, let's go to Komodo Crypto, and we will load up the Komodo platform website. And the first thing you'll see here, 3 days, 8 hours, 16 minutes, and 47, 46, 45. There's going to be a huge announcement. So, if this is big, if this is just hype, we don't know. I don't know, at least. If you know anything about this, leave it in the comment section below. Take a look now here. Arc is staying strong, man. Arc is just one of them good coins. Like, if you guys got into Arc back when it was below $1, you know, just good for you. Good for you guys. It's some good news right there. Factum, I think Factum could drop a little bit more. Just really depends on how long this flash crash is going to last. Metal, also really nice time to get back into metal. Metal's getting around the $9 range. I expect it to go down a little further. So metal's something to watch. Basic attention token. If any of you guys bought in the last dip at 9 cents, I mean, in this dip you would make double your money, so it's kind of cool. A SIA coin, it might be a good time to be accumulating SIA as well, or it's just a dead coin, this dead file storage coin. Who really knows? ADIVCE. You know, everything is just falling. Everything is falling. Bitcoin Dark really coming back to reality after that. Binance coin under $1. Monaco, $9. Man, the thing really had a huge thing. One interesting thing is Verge. All my Verge fans out there, dude, Verge is still going ham. It's almost a little over half a cent now. So Verge is still really looking nice. It's unbelievable. Ubic is still pretty strong in my opinion from where it came from. If it can stick around this range, that'd be impressive. However, I do want to see Ubic to go down more so I can start accumulating more Ubic as well. Nav coins still falling very slowly. And those are really the coins. Bitcoins, this is one other YouTuber's #1 coin. As you can see here, he just loves this coin so much. He thinks this coin's going to go to $40. Who knows? You know, I got to do more research, but he may be something. Maybe he knows something I don't. He obviously does. Rise finally in the red after a very, you know, after everyone was putting their money and taking it out and trying to get in. But the big story is this coin right here. OK Cash. What in God's name, dude? 203%. So somebody out there pumped the hell out of this thing, and it just got some traction. I'm not sure, you know, if anyone knows anything about OK Cash. I believe it's like the another Chinese coin. What the hell? Why do we always miss these pumps? I mean, seriously, why do we always miss these pumps? It's on Bittrex just going off. Crazy shit. Like, where does that come from? Why does that happen? But again, not much in the green, and whatever's in the green is not even up 20%, which is quite small for the crypto world. And again, it looks like 8 share is the lowest. Elastic coming down. EOS still tanking like a mother effer. And yeah, so we're still in the red, you guys. What is the Bitcoin bottom price? Let's take a look at the chart. So let's make my prediction. Here's my predictions for Bitcoin. What's the lowest Bitcoin's going to get to based on this 1-month graph from coinmarketcap.com. So it looks like we are around here. It looks like the next level of support is around here, the high $3,000 range, right below $4,000, and we are almost to that point. So I think we could possibly drop to about, you know, 3,750. If it goes a little bit below that, it could drop even further, maybe to 3,000. However, I don't see that personally happening. But just be prepared, guys. That's why I said, you know, all this green can't last forever. You got to know when to take profits. When everyone else is greedy, you got to be scared. And right now, everyone is scared. So you best be greedy. You best be taking advantage of this crowd mentality. You're not a sheep. You're intelligent. You know not to sell your coins, and you know to accumulate in these red times. So that's all I want to say. I really appreciate you guys tuning into my videos. I'll stick tuned for another one. I'll be making one hopefully tomorrow. I've just been so busy, and there's just so much going on, so I really got to get on that video hype. And that's all I got to say. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you want me to talk about, and peace out. Bye.